Welcome to the booth of LMI Technologies at Vision Shenzhen 2023. My name is Silin Gan. I am the area sales manager of LMI Technologies at Southern China. This is our 3D sensor, the remastered Gocator 2600 series. The Gocator 2600 series has 4,192 points per profiles with the X resolution up to 2.5 microns. This sensor has optimized for faster default scan speed, enhanced data quality, and increased scanning versatility, and high dynamic range HDR mode can improve our scanning quality on challenging targets. We can use this sensor for wider variety of applications, from small parts in EV battery, in semiconductor, in electronics, to large coverage of applications like in building materials, in food processing, and in automotive, and in general factory automation. The Gocator 2630 we are showing here is a scanning example target for VR glass housing inspection. Gocator 2630 has FOV from 71mm to 135mm. This sensor can deliver optimal speed and a nice data quality in a single pass with a single sensor. User can use the high-resolution 3D point cloud to do 3D glue dispensing and laser cutting and feature inspection. Gocator also has more than 100 built-in 3D tools for user to use. User can use it to reduce the project difficulty and also improve their efficiency. Thank you for watching this demo, joining us to explore more possibility of 3D technology.